So we had customers of ours come to us that had an existing lot that they owned in Antioch. It was on a lake, and the site was pretty dramatic, sloped from the front to the back down towards the water. It was also a pretty confined lot. So the first thing we had to do was plan out how we're going to fit the house on the lot, what sort of criteria the customer was looking for in the lot, what style of home. They told us they were looking for a ranch home, 3 bedrooms, big master suite with, of course, views to the water and views to the lake. And we knew it was going to be a walkout lot because of the slope on the lot. And so they also wanted to finish off the basement with some rec room, a bar area, and some secondary bedrooms and a playroom for their grandchildren. Big grand ceiling in the great room. You know, we knew we wanted a fireplace, we knew we wanted a large kitchen and a large sunroom area all to the back of the house. Access to a nice deck that overlooked the water off of the sunroom. We put in some volume ceilings therefore in the great room, some tall transom windows, some arches for some dramatic effect, and to really get that impact right when you walk in the front door of the home, we made sure that the foyer was really centered on the great room. You know, a lot of our customers come in with the idea of wanting an open concept, a kitchen that's very open to the great room, to the eating area with a large functioning island, which is what she wanted, certainly views into the other rooms, but wanted a double island setup, and in particular having a sort of serving buffet towards the great room side. But we wanted to make sure that we didn't limit views to the great room and to the windows. We put all of this design effort and impact into these windows and views of the lake. So we arched over that. We did granite countertops that come sealed. Of course, customers don't have to treat those granite countertops. She did a stained cabinetry with all of the deluxe construction, soft closed doors, drawers. The kitchen, of course, was finished off with stainless steel appliances that the customer selected, and that our kitchen designers got the specs on to make sure the cabinetry and that the gas service and electrical service and water lines were all in the correct place and installed properly. On the main level, it's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. And then in the basement, we finished off another 2 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. Off of the master suite, they had their own entrance to a deck area where they could set up some chairs and enjoy a glass of wine in the evening, and again with capturing views to the lake and to the water. The guest bedrooms on the first floor have a Jack and Jill or shared bath between those 2 bedrooms. Each of those suites have their own walk-in closets. You know, the customer knew that they were going to entertain, knew that they were going to have a lot of family and friends that come over for the big game or holidays, and so we designed the basement to maximize that entertaining capability by a big rec room, huge wall for an entertainment wall, big TV, big bar with a back bar, front bar wrap around. Our kitchen designers again designed a beautiful bar down there with wine storage and beverage storage. It had a whole sink, dishwasher setup. KLM having the capability to design and customize a home right on site with our customers makes for a smooth process that we can make field changes very quickly. Should we start framing out something in the field and decide that our customer would like to add another opening or raise that arch up a little bit higher, we can quickly draft it up in AutoCAD here on site, get it out to the contractors out in the field so that it's built to the customer's specifications. So that makes for a very smooth sort of one-stop shop. Yeah, it was great that the customers brought this site to us that they had purchased, and it was a challenging site, but sometimes those lead to the most successful projects in the end. Ultimately, the result was something that I was happy with, our customers were happy with, and we're proud to say that that's a KLM home.